I'm excited to share a super easy and effective solution for one of those pesky problems we all face: drafty doors. I know how important it is to have a comfortable and quiet workspace. That's why I'm thrilled to show you how to use an underdoor draft stopper, right from my own experience. I've added the link in the description box if you want to get it. We've all been there, cold air sneaking in through the gaps under the doors, making it hard to focus on our tasks or record content without shivering. But worry not, because this is where the underdoor draft stopper comes to the rescue. Step 1. Measure the width of your door. Most draft stoppers are adjustable, so you can customize them to fit perfectly. Mine comes with a foam sponge inside the wrap, so I can just cut it easily with a scissor. Next, I fold the excess fabric and attach the velcros together and flip it over so it looks better. Then I simply slip the draft stopper under the door, making sure it covers the entire width. The soft and flexible material creates a snug seal, preventing cold drafts and even those annoying sounds from under your space. Not only does the draft stopper keep the cold air out, but it also helps with energy efficiency by preventing warm air from escaping. Plus, it acts as a noise blocker, ensuring you have a quieter environment to work or record in. And as content creators, we know how crucial that is. Whether you're a voiceover artist, a YouTuber, or simply someone who values a cozy and peaceful living space, an underdoor draft stopper is super helpful. It's a small investment that brings big rewards. Thanks for tuning in to this dual role tip today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like these. Until next time, stay warm, stay creative, and keep those drafts at bay.